What's up guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Coinbase on your Android phone. So what you want to do, go to your Play Store on your phone guys, use the search there at the bottom and simple type in Coinbase and you will be able to see it appear there. All you have to do is just look for Coinbase app and you want to go ahead and tap on install from there. Just give this a moment to really install on your phone. App is not large in size, so it should really install on your phone very quickly. Now, as you can see, it's currently installing and it's done. So what you want to do, go ahead and click on open and you will have the Coinbase app on your phone from here. And as you can see, I am in right now. You can go ahead and you can sign up, create an account, or you can just simply create an account with your Gmail. So you just need to tap on Gmail there on the lower right hand side and just go ahead and choose an email address of your choice. So I'm going to choose an email address here. Then once I am in, all I have to do is go ahead and click on your Gmail here. Then go ahead and enter a password of your choice. And once you enter the password that you want to use, go ahead and click and sign in. You want to go ahead and enter your details, just your first name and last name. So it's going to ask you for your name details there. So you want to go ahead and enter those credentials there. Then you'll be able to click and continue. And it will require you to enter your phone number. So you want to go ahead and type in your phone number. Then you'll receive a verification code. That verification code will come in a couple of seconds right to your phone. And then you'll be able to quickly sign in. Here you can choose if you really want to turn on notifications. You can keep it on or you can just go ahead and skip that for now. I'm going to skip that option for now. Then go down to the bottom and click that I'm 18 years. And I'm going to click and submit. Then from here, you can choose, it says be the first to know. You can choose yes or no here. I'm going to just choose no for this purpose here. I'm going to go ahead and choose my country. And from here, just go ahead and proceed to the next step. Then it's going to ask you to do some verification. So you want to click and continue. And from here, you want to go ahead and just enter your details here. So I'm going to enter my details here. Here it's asking you to enter your address. So you can go ahead and you can just enter your address. That's where you're living. And here you can see that it's currently verifying my details here. So we just need to go ahead and be patient and wait until this actually completes. Now here it's currently asking what you're going to use it for. So you can choose whatever. So you can tap a few options here. You can just say investment. I'm going to just say self-employed as an example. You can choose whatever it is. You can just make some choice here for yourself as well. Just go through it and just be honest what you are going to use it for and the purpose of this. I'm going to just choose whatever it is. I'm going to choose technology as an example here and continue.